Hi, it's your boy David, aka Davlorito. As you can tell, I am not in my regular setting. I am not in Korea. And for those of you who are here for the first time, I'm David. I'm a Filipino from Germany who studied in Korea and is now in the Philippines. For this video, I tested some products. Yeah, I just bought them here. And for that reason, I decided to speak in Taglish in this video. So I hope it will work out well because I've never done this. But yeah, so let's start with the products. First product that I am going to present is face wash siya. Sabi daw pang oil control. Pinili ko siya sa Walmart for 160 pesos. Parang mahal na konti. So I'm starting off with the description of that product and my first impression. So itong una, yung Vaseline Men Oil Control Face Wash. Sabi daw dito, visibly fairer skin, long-lasting, oil-free look. Yeah, doesn't say much more than that. I thought it would be good because it's Vaseline. My first impression was simply that my face looks matte. It's not oily. So I thought, yeah, cool, it does what it says, oil control. Next product is Pond's Men White Boost. At ito rin binili ko sa Walmart. Ito 110 pesos. Also a bit expensive kasi maliit lang, oh. Can you see the difference? It says here it's a spot clearing scrub, white plus fresh. That's the thing. That's the only thing that it says. First impression ko, I liked it initially because it evened my skin and took out like any dirt or something. So my face felt cleaner after using this one. Then next one, Pond's again, pure white. Okay. At ito, again, sa Walmart ko rin binili ito. Ito, 85.50 pesos. Parang mahal sila lahat. So ito, it says, pure white, pollution out, plus purity. Facial foam with activated carbon charcoal. Ano ba nangyari ito? Oh, yes. Nung first time ko yung ginamit ito, parang walang nangyari. Like, I didn't notice any difference after using this one. Next one, itong Snail Aloe Vera Repair Moisturizing with Snail Extract. Bought this from Midio. It's a Korean store here in the Philippines. I've never seen this store in Korea. But yeah, it's Korean products. But I feel like they're more Chinese. But anyway, this is a Korean product at ano siya pang moisturize with snail extract, 92%, and it was only 99 pesos. So parang tingnan nyo, 99 pesos, parang mas marami yung makuha nyo dito. It says pure snail moisture soothing gel is gel. Wait, this doesn't make it. Wait, again. Pure snail moisture soothing gel is snail secretion filtrate, contain moisturizing dry skin and moist and shiny skin. I don't even understand this kind of English. Basta it's to moisturize. Parang init ngayon. It's so hot right now. I turned off the fan so you guys would hear my voice. So I think I'm gonna be sweaty mid-video. The first time I used this, it's too sticky. I don't like this. That's the first impression I had. And then the last product is Organics. Good. Organics face and body mist. The price this thing cost 229 pesos, and I think it's because it's by Bench. Bench is a Filipino brand. It only says 92% aloe face and body mist, refreshing, moisturizing, hydrating. Yeah, I remember the first time I used it in the store. I really liked the freshness when you spray it on your face. It's fresh. It does what it says. It refreshes, moisturizes, and hydrates. That was my first impression. Okay, so moving on. I used it for a few weeks, and I have to say this one over time I did not like. Parang hindi ko lang, does its job, pero parang wala akong nakitang nagbago sa aking mukha. Like, I didn't see much happening, so I was not motivated to use it again. So I have this, but I'm not really using it because I don't really see much of a difference. Like, my skin is less oily right after I use it, but then I don't know, not much happens. Over time, I would say I don't recommend it. because it doesn't do much in my opinion, and I would not buy this one again. Next one, ito nagustuhan ko siya over time. Mas nagustuhan ko kasi yung aking cuties parang gumanda, nawala lahat yung mga breakouts, pimples. I mean, I don't have that many breakouts, but just like small, how do you call them, imperfections. So I like this one because it felt fresh and everything, but it's called clearing scrub, so the scrub factor to this is a bit lacking, so I felt there could be more. It's more of a wash, not really a scrub, so that's the only thing that I would say. Would I buy this? Would I recommend it? Yes, I recommend this if you don't want it to be too aggressive on your skin, and yes, I actually bought the bigger tube just yesterday. This one, over time, I liked it a lot kasi parang pag naglalakad ako sa labas, yung feeling ko marumi yung aking mukha sa pollution, like it says, pollution out. Yeah, it does its job. I felt it would take out the dirt of my face, so I use it every second day, and my skin felt softer after using this one. I would buy it again, but it's not life-changing, so it's like a so-so. Like if it's empty, then it's empty. Don't really need it. It's not an essential for my life. This one I did not really like in the beginning because I usually use aloe vera gel, but this one is the Snail with Snail, and over time I have to say nagustuhan ko na siya. Tapos ginagawa ko palagi pagka hugas ng mukha sa gabi, tapos ko na yung aking facial scrub and everything, ito ang nilalagay ko sa mukha ko at talagang nagustuhan ko siya. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would buy this again. Last one, organics. It's very refreshing. I think it's a good product. It's refreshing, it's cool, it's nice to just like spray on. It's fresh, organic, all of that is nice, pero masyadong mahal, and I would not buy this anymore. So when it comes to the scrubs, if there's one that I would recommend, I would say this one, but it's not really life-changing. So among these more facial washes, I would say this is my winner, but I've had better, so just among these three, this is the winner, pero hindi ko siya, parang hindi siya ang ultimate favorite ko. Tapos dito sa dalawang moisturizer, hindi ako masyado believe dito sa spray for the price that it's being sold. I'd rather spend 99 pesos on this one. They also have aloe vera gel, pero dun sa pinuntahan ko, sold out na. So I got this one with the Snail. Pero I would say both. So if you're gonna buy something, buy the aloe vera gel and the Snail one. Those are the products that I bought here and I tried. I haven't had any time to really film a fashion video for you guys kasi wala akong masyadong magkun ng mga damit. Wala na nagvi-video sa akin dito. So yeah, I'm just gonna do these product reviews. If you enjoy them, let me know. Kung kayo taga Pilipinas at ginamit niyo yung mga produkto nito, mag-comment kayo sa comment section if you agree, and if you disagree, if you have better products. We'd also like to hear what you have to say to that. So marami po salamat sa pagpanood. Remember to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Kumai.